quick update on the system. Right, so this part of the system hasn't changed. We still got the screen filter to chlorinator to 3-stage sediment filter, starting with over here 5 micron, then to carbon block, then to 1 micron, right? So that does a lot to really clean the borehole water as it's coming in and then into the big tank over here, well, the 5,200 litre tank. Right, so if we move around there past our lemons, have a look at where we are. Right, so we've got obviously full electrical installation. This is probably the toughest part of the whole job. To our 750 watt CRI pump here, which is controlled by a float switch, which is up here. So when this tank starts getting empty, this pump switches on and starts pushing through the sophisticated filter system here, which starts with 1 micron PP to a KDF filter to a 0.1 micron pleated filter. And behind the ladder here, we've got in parallel the Silifos cartridges, and these are water softeners. From there, we go to a UV system, which is switched on by the pump over there, right? So every time the pump switches on to fill up the 10,000 litre tank over here, the light switches on and kills all the nunus in the water, if there are any. Right, so that then goes up into the big 10,000 litre tank, right, in a pretty clean state. We've got a flow meter here, which tells us how well the pumps are performing. And inside here, we've also got, that's where the float switch is that controls this pump on this side. Right, then the sort of intelligence of the system is really this pump here, which is a Spironi 2.2 kilowatt VSD pump. So that stands for variable speed drive. I can set the amount of pressure here, so it's currently sitting on 3.2 bars, but I can put that up, right, or down. So on demand, when somebody needs to shower or whatever, this pump will switch on and provide pressure. But the important part of it is that it provides pressure based on demand. So if there are multiple people showering, so it will retain the amount of pressure for all of the showers and not go down. Or conversely, when one person opens one little tap, it doesn't provide a huge burst of pressure. Okay, so the whole system is done with class 16 32mm PVC pipe, which has really worked out. The system goes round to the back here and joins onto 25mm HDPE pipe, which we then send all the way back and reverse flow into the whole property. Yeah, so it's really kind of working out, and for the 2 weeks that it's been in now, it's been absolutely magic. The most important part of the system, besides this pump here, is probably the float switch system that we've installed to make sure that the tanks are always full. So when this tank from the borehole level drops, so it switches on the borehole, and in a similar fashion, when this one starts going down, it switches on that smaller pump over there to go through the main filtration system to keep it topped up. But yeah, I guess this is the way it works. Thanks.